Welcome to Gyan Setu, the Knowledge Bridge. Class 9, Exercise 1.6. Hello everyone. In previous class, we have discussed the problem of exercise 1.5. Today we will discuss exercise 1.6. Before starting exercise 1.6, we will learn the topic the laws of exponent. What is exponent? Here I have taken one example, 2 power 2. Okay, what is 2? 2 is called base and power of 2 is 2. Okay, so it means that 2 is multiplied 2 times. The same number is multiplied 2 times. 2 into 2. Okay, 4. So the first law say a to the power m multiplied with a to the power n. Here a means same base but power are different, then we will add the power. So we can take an example, 2 the power 2, okay, multiplied to the power 3. Here base are same, so we will add the power. 2 plus 3, 5, okay. Next is a power m whole power n, means a is the same number and power are 2 of a, okay, m and n. So we will multiply m and n. We can take an example, 3 power 2 whole power 5, okay. So here it is means 2 5s are 10, means 3 power 10. A power m divided by a power n, here base are same, so we will subtract the power and m should be greater than n always. Then a to the power m is multiplied with b to the power m. Here you can see the base are different but power are same. So we will multiply the base, okay. Next, fifth number is a power m divided by b power m. Here bases are different but power is same. So we will divide a by divided by b and whole power m. Sixth is a to the power 0, means the value of a to the power 0 is 1. So we can take an example, a power 0 plus 3 power 2, okay. Means a power 0 means 1 and 3 power 2 means 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. Now we can start our exercise 1.6. Okay, you can see the first question is find. We have to find 64 1 by 2. Okay, so first we will resolve 64. 64 can be written as 2 the power 6. Okay, so we will see here when the power of a number is 2 more than 1, so we will multiply. So here we will multiply, then 2 1s and 2 3s are, so to the power 3 and 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, then the answer will be 8. Next, 32 1 by 5, same, 32 can be written as 2 the power 5, so 5 5 cancel. What is the answer? 2 power 1 or simply 2. Third, 125 power 1 by 3. So 125 can be written 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. So 3 3 cancel, then 5 power 1 or simply 5. Next is second, find 9 3 by 2. So 9 can be written as 3 to power 2. 2 2 cancel, 3 power 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. 7. Okay. 9 3s are 27. Next 32 2 by 5. 32 can be written as 2 the power 5. So we can check also. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, and 16 2s are 32. Okay. So here 5 5 cancel, 2 ka power 2. Then 2 2 ja 4. Third number is 16 3 by 4. 16 3 by 4. 16 can be written as 2 the power 4. 4 4 cancel, 2 the power 3. Then 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Next is 125 minus 1 by 3. So for this it can be reciprocal. Okay. Simply just we can take an example. A minus 1 can be written 1 by A. Okay. Reciprocal. So first we reciprocal it. So it can be written 1 by 125 by 3. Okay. Then 125 can be written as 5 power 3. Then 3 3 cancel, 1 by 5. Simplify. First is 2 power 2 by 3 into 2, 1 by 5. Here base are same, so we will add the power. So we will first take the LCM of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is 15. So 10 plus 3 is 13 by 15. So answer will be 2, 13 by 15. 2 number 1 divided by 1 by 3 to the power 3 and whole power is 7. So first we will reciprocal it. So 3 to the power minus 3. Okay. Then we know that power should be multiplicated. Okay. 3 7s are 21. Here 3 minus 21. Next is 11 1 by 2, power is 1 by 2 and divided by 11 1 by 4. For division we know that when the power base is same, we will subtract the power. So when we subtract the power will be 1 by 4. Okay. Because the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. And here 2 2s are 4, then 1 2s are 2, 2 minus 1, 1 by 4. See the last one, 7 1 by 2 into 8 1 by 2. Here base are different, so we will multiply the base, but power are same. Okay. So 7 into 8 is 56, 1 by 2. So now we have completed our exercise 1.6 and also we have completed the chapter. For any doubt or any query or any suggestion, please comment in comment box. Thank you for watching my videos. Like, share and subscribe. Gyan Setu.